The Honeywell Model 6110 fire-resistant digital security box is the ideal portable solution for securing small valuables and personal electronics when you are on the go. It offers 1/2 cubic foot of storage space that even fits most 17-inch laptop computers. Double steel walls filled with fire-resistant insulation offer protection from tampering and fire. A protective foam pad floor is included to help prevent contents from damage. The programmable digital lock prevents unauthorized access. Two emergency override access keys are also included in case you forget your passcode or the electronics fail. It includes a detachable 46-inch steel cable tether so you can attach it to a stationary item. Simply loop the end of the cable around a stationary item and insert the other end into the side of the box. To detach the cable, simply press the release tab on the inside of the box and pull the cable out. It also features a convenient handle for easy carrying when you're on the go. The 6110 comes with 4 AA batteries, so the lock and gauge can be used right out of the box.